Hello everybody and welcome back to the Orange Pill Studios. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install a font in your computer using Windows 10. So firstly, you want to be under font, you want to find the font that you want and you want to download it. A zip file should download. Once the zip file downloads, go ahead and open that. Now that's open, click extract to extract the files from the zip. Then there should be a new folder in your downloads folder. Go ahead and click on it. And then select one of the font files or both. You have to select more than one if it has different sizes, different weights, and just copy it. Then what you need to do is go to the PC folder, local to C, Windows, font, and then paste it in. Once it's pasted, you can now go over to any of your files and you can try using the font that you just downloaded. That's the font I just downloaded. For you, it will be different. It will be the font you just downloaded. And that's how simple it is to install a font on your computer using Windows 10.